Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. Today we are going to be doing a 10-minute dance workout. If you like these workouts, click the link in the description below to find more information about our newly released program. Alrighty guys, it is time for some cumbia. Get ready? We're gonna start with the basic step. We're gonna tap that left foot. Get ready? 5, 6, 7, here we go. And 1. Very good. Get ready. Overturn. Get ready. We're going to double. Here we go. And get ready, back to that basic. Five, 6, overturn. Get ready, double. And back to that basic. And overturn. And double. Back to that basic. And overturn. And double. Alrighty guys, very good. Shake it out. We are moving along to salsa. Get ready. We're doing doubles of everything. We're gonna start with a basic step. And 5, 6, 7, go. Very good. Repeat. And to the side. Very good. Last one. We're going to do a cross. Go. Very good. We do this one more time, guys. Get ready. Let's cross over. Go. Cross. Basic. Back. Forward. And back. Do it again. Last time. Side. Here we go. Last time. We're gonna go to that cross. Here we go. Get ready. We're gonna cross right away. Go. Keep it up. And back to the basic. Side. Get ready for the cross. Go. And cross. Very good, guys. Alrighty, guys. It is time for cha-cha. We are gonna start with a Cuban break. Get ready. And 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3. Very good, last one. That Latin cross, here we go. Last one, double time. Get ready. 3 cha-chas, go. Get ready, Cuban break. Latin cross. Last one, double time. Last one, and 3 cha-chas, go. And back to that Cuban break, go. Get ready, Latin cross. And double time. Go, 3 cha-chas. back to that Cuban. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.